Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Subscribe right now. Today we are going to discuss the chemical properties. This is the ninth video of haloalkane and haloarine, and today we are going to discuss the chemical properties mainly of chlorobenzene. Okay, so the first reaction we are going to discuss is nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution, and this is due to chlorine. This is due to chlorine present in your chlorobenzene. Okay, so let's start with it. The first reaction we are going to discuss is substitution by OH group. You can write down with me. There are a number of reactions we are going to follow it. Okay, let's start with it. So you have chlorobenzene. Suppose you have chlorobenzene reacts with NaOH. It will be nucleophile NaOH. So at the temperature 350 to 400 degrees Celsius, under pressure it will form phenol plus HCl. Second reaction you can write down, if there is, suppose CH2 CHClCl, okay, arrive light in the presence of aqueous KOH, it will again form remember this reaction is very important. It will form CH2 and there will be a double bond, right? So CHO, basically this will remove and oxygen comes, so it will form aldehyde. Remember, the Cl will goes and this will come. Okay, so these are the variation regarding that. The second reaction of substitution is with NH2 group. With NH2 group. In this reaction, NH2 group reaction, what we have to do, 2 moles of chlorobenzene you can take, reacts with 2 moles of NH3. It in the presence of Cu2O 200 degrees Celsius, Cu2O 200 degrees Celsius, it will form yours two moles of NH3 plus Cu2Cl2 plus H2O. Okay, the third reaction is reaction with CN group. Reaction with CN group, and this reaction goes like that. Chlorobenzene reacts with CuCN by heating 250 degrees Celsius. By heating 250 degrees Celsius in the presence of pyrene or DMF, you can form, it is substituted and forms CN. Okay, CuCl. Next reaction is very important. Mark it, very important. In this reaction, Cl reacts with OR group. OR group means you can say NaOH3. OR groups. Okay. In this reaction, what will happen? This reaction proceeds at 250 degrees Celsius by heating. In the presence of Cu salt, it will form anisole OCH3 anisole plus anisole plus what? CuCl. Okay, or NaCl. Yeah. So if there is, let's discuss the other reaction also. Suppose same reaction. We have nitro groups here, NO2, 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 and here it is Cl. The reaction will be in the presence of C2H5OH ethanol at temperature 75 degrees Celsius, 2 atm. What it will form? Remember, OCH3 group here. So we can say C2H5, right? OC2H5. The nitro groups will remain at their position. Those will not jump by the reaction of substitution. So this substitute Cl. Okay, substitution will be takes place. The next reaction you can write down. But the same reaction, if we write down the same reaction, suppose this is Cl and this is NO2 here and NO2. Remember, in the presence of C2H5OH, in the presence of C2H5OH, but NO2 groups are attached at meta position here, meta, not ortho or para, and chlorine is ortho and para directly, so mainly no reaction will be there. Let's discuss more reactions then. If the next reaction with magnesium, next reaction of is with magnesium with Mg. In this reaction, chlorobenzene reacts with Mg in the presence of ether. So it's like your Grignard reagent type. So this will form MgCl. Okay. The another reaction we are going to discuss is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig. In this reaction, what will happen? This is your chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene reacts with 2Na. Okay, same we have studied before. ClCH3 in the presence of ether. In the presence of ether, it will form toluene plus NaCl. It will form toluene plus NaCl. It's called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. The next reaction is Fittig reaction only. In the Fittig reaction, we have to take the 2 moles of any halo compound. Suppose you have this X, right? Reacts with 2Na plus again X this will gives biphenyl. This will gives biphenyl plus 2NaX. X could be fluoro, whatever. Okay. Next reaction we are going to discuss is Ullmann reaction, which is important for JEE perspective. So name reactions are important for cbse. So Cu, you have to take the Cu, 2 moles of Cu. Okay, and iodobenzene. Heat it, it will form biphenyl plus CUI2. Okay, so these are the main reactions. The last one we are going to discuss now. The last one is with chloral. So chloral on heating with chlorobenzene, in presence of concentrated H2SO4, So this channel is all about 15 minutes video, okay? And we have to take 15 minutes videos, one concept, then take a break 5 minutes, and then again start with it. What I am saying that remember the concept of so gives DDT. So there is a formation of DDT. The full form of DDT is PP para dichloro diphenyl para dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. This is called DDT. We will make it also, don't worry about that. So there is a chloral. This carbon has three Cl groups attached and the CHO group attached with it. Okay. This reacts with chlorobenzene. Okay. Making the chlorobenzene like that. Okay. It will react with in the presence of concentrated H2. Okay, H2SO4, and the reaction process. It will form the product. This product is like that, CCl3 CH. Okay, water will be removed. This we have to take 2 moles. So it will form like that, Cl. Okay, remember how to draw it. We are drawing the DDT. Para positions must be there. Your trichloroethane, this is your diphenyl, or then para dichloro. Okay, plus H2. So this is called DDT. PP dichloro, para dichloro, diphenyl trichloroethane. And this is very important reaction. Okay. But it is an off-white. It is an off-white crystalline powder and was used as insecticide. Powder and was used as insecticide. DDT. So we have understand the chemical reaction, nucleophilic reactions mainly with chloral, Ullmann reaction, Fittig reaction, and we have Woods-Fittig reaction with Mg. Okay, this will be attached with ortho and para, then only the reaction proceed in the presence of C2H5OH. This is the next reaction with CN groups, reaction with NH2 groups, substitution by OH group. So these are nucleophilic reaction of chlorobenzene. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel.